Hello guys. So in this lesson, we are going to look or dig a little deeper on text features. So due to copyright, we are not going to read this text. However, we're just going to highlight the text features that we see on it, just to show you guys, what the text features look like. If you guys want to read this article, please log into your account and use your password. Let's begin. So, when reading text features, it is important to understand that text features in an informational text allows the reader to understand more about what they're reading. The text features explains more about the information presented in the text than if you were just to read a text without any form of features. So, in this lesson, we're going to first identify that this text has a title. Now, the title of a text is very important because it tells you, what is your text going to be about. Also, it is also great to pay attention to the features that come with this text, like a bold word. Now, bold words are words the author wants you guys to pay special attention to. They are key vocabulary words, words that you will learn important things about the text. In most cases, your bold word can be found at the end of your nonfiction book in the form of a glossary, but in this case, sometimes it comes as a part of your text under your words to know section. This is very important for you to take a moment before you read your text to go through all your text features, understanding what your words mean, understanding what your text features stand for, because it helps you to understand the completeness of the entire text. Then I'm also going to notice that we have a map. Having a map in the text is extremely important because it gives you the vantage point of looking at where, in terms of location, will you find places as maps show positions. In this case, this map also shows you the direction in which the wildebeest, where in which they migrate and where they migrate to. I also noticed that this text actually has features like a subheading or a subtitle. In this case, each subheading is responsible for telling you something new. Each subheading gives you new information that you have not read before. What I do know about informational text is you can read your text in any direction. An informational text will allow you to read a subheading from this section first and then moving on to this section without missing the gist of what the article is about, because nonfiction teaches facts. I also noticed that there sometimes would be a fact box. The job of a fact box, or an informational box in this case, would give you additional information on the topic in which you are discussing. Now, having knowledge of your text features before you start reading allows you to see or understand what your text will be about. It allows you to comprehend what the photograph is showing when it's time to read the information. This is something I want you guys to focus on, as it is very important in allowing you to understand the text on a whole.